Hello students, welcome back to 12th session on sublease. You know that in previous session we discussed about third problem, which was the last problem of this chapter. So where we discussed how to prepare royalty payable chart and royalty receivable chart. What they asked in the question was, give the necessary ledger account in the books of A and C to record the transaction, and assume that their books being closed at the end of calendar year. So now the question is, who is A? A is a main lessee in case of main lease contract. C is sublessee. So A is main lessee in main lease agreement and he is sublessor in sublease agreement. So if we have to prepare accounts or pass entries in the books of A, so we have to pass as a capacity of main lessee and as a capacity of whom? Sublessor. Main lessee and sublessor. So twice we have to prepare because he is main lessee as per main agreement and sublessor as per sublease agreement. That's why. So we have to prepare two sets of account as a capacity of lessee. What accounts need to be prepared, have to be prepared, and as a capacity of sublessor, what account need to be prepared, have to be prepared. Let me see how to prepare accounts. So in the books of A, who is main lessee, so now as a main lessee, he has to prepare royalty payable account, short working account and lesser account. If you look at royalty payable chart, first 2 years situation is as equal as second circumstances which we discussed when we started understanding how to pass entries, and third year situation is equal to third circumstances where royalty is equal to minimum rent. Fourth year is as equal as fourth situation and fifth year is as equal as fifth situation. Having aware of this, so now we have to pass entries. First 2 years as royalty is less than the minimum rent, due entry is royalty payable account data, short working account data to lesser account. So 1500, 500. Now we should move to royalty payable. So to B's account 1500 and in short working account to B's account 500. Royalty payable account should be closed by transferring it to profit and loss account. Short working account should be carried forward because balance in short working should be carried forward because there are 4 years to recoup it. So by balance carried down 500. So then to lesser A will make the payment. Journal entry is B's account data, that is lesser account data to bank account 2000, so that account get closes at the end of first year. Second year same entries will come. So royalty payable account data, short working allowable account data to lesser account 1700 and 300. Lesser will be paid to bank account 2000, so lesser account will get closes. So in royalty payable account second year 2B's account 1700. In short working account 2 balance brought down, last year's closing balance is current year's opening balance, 2B's account 300. So by balance carried down 800. So royalty payable is closed by transferring it to profit and loss account. Then third year minimum rent is equal to royalty. The due entry is royalty payable account data to B's account, that is lesser account 2000. B will be paid immediately to bank account at the end of the year 2000. So in royalty payable account, so to B's account 2000, it should be closed by transferring it to profit and loss account. And in short working account no entry will come, but this is the third year, so the balance should be carried forward. So by balance carried down 800. As there is no short working, as there is no recoupment, nothing, because minimum rent is equal to royalty. So balance should be carried forward. Next year to balance brought down 800. So next fourth year, we are moving to such a situation where there is excess and excess is used to recoup short working and unrecoverable short working transferred to profit and loss account. It is exactly equal to 4 circumstances which we discussed. If that is the situation, the due entry is royalty payable account data to lesser account 2000 to short working account 300. So 300 to the extent of recoupment. So royalty payable account data to lesser account to short working account. So royalty payable should be closed by transferring it to profit and loss account. In short working, by royalty payable 300. If you look at table, it is very clear that 500 is non-recoupable. That should be transferred to profit and loss account. By profit and loss account 500, so that short working account get closes. In B's account, that is in lesser account, by royalty payable 2000. So royalty will be paid, amount will be paid to lesser, journal entry B's account data to bank account 2000. So the account get closes. Now last year, the situation is, what is that? Royalty is more than the minimum rent, but excess is not made use to recoup short working because recoupment got over, the right to recoupment. So due entry is royalty payable account data to B's account 3000. In royalty payable to C's account, not to B, it is not to C, it is to B. You should write it as 2B. By mistake I have written it as 2C. Even in 2013 you write it as 2B. So 2B's account 3000. So then royalty payable should be closed by transferring it to profit and loss account, and B's account will be closed by transferring it to B's account will be closed, will get closes because we are making payment to, means lessee is making payment, A is making payment to lesser, journal entry B's account data to bank account. So this is how to prepare accounts in the books of B as a capacity of lesser. So now as a capacity of as a capacity of lessee so far we prepared. So particularly main lessee. Now as a capacity of sublessor, we should prepare accounts. So now being a lessor, what accounts we need to prepare? So we need to prepare lessee's account. To A, lessee is C, and royalty receivable account, he is having right to get royalty from C, and short working allowable account. So short working, if there is any short working, that will be recouped in next 2 years of occurrence. So lesser is allowing to recoup, that's why in books of lesser it is called as short working allowable account. So now we just look at royalty receivable chart. First year, second year situation is similar, minimum rent is more than the royalty. Third year situation is just like fourth situation. Fourth year situation is also fourth situation. Fifth year situation is fifth situation. So now we should need to pass due entries from lessee, journal entry C's account, that is lessee's account data to royalty receivable, short working allowable 600 and 400. In C's account, in royalty receivable account, by C's account 600, it will be closed by transferring it to profit and loss account. And in short working account, by C's account 400, that balance should be carried forward to next year. Next year we should open short working account with a balance of 400, by balance brought down. Then he will get the amount from C to A. So journal entry bank account data to C's account. So C's account get closes at the end of year 1. Second year situation is same, due entry lessees, that is C's account data to royalty receivable, short working allowable 810 and 290. In royalty receivable by C's account 810, and in short working allowable account by C's account 290. So that total balance of 690 should be carried forward to next year as far as short working allowable is concerned. So next year when we open it, that is during third year, by balance brought down 690, royalty receivable will get closes by transferring it to profit and loss account, and A will get amount from C, bank account data to C's account 1000. So C's account get closes. So now Third year, what's the situation? Situation is there is excess. Excess is made use to recoup short working, and there is irrecoverable short working transferred to profit and loss account. All these things must be taken care of. So now due entry, seize account data, short working allowable account data to royalty receivable. Seize account should be debited with 1000, short working allowable should be debited with 50. So to royalty receivable account will be credited with 1500. Royalty receivable account will be get closed by transferring it to profit and loss account. As far as seize is concerned, by royalty receivable 1000 amount will be received from C bank account debtor to seize account. So seize account will get closes. As far as short working is concerned, so there is recoupment to the extent of 50. We have already passed entry short working allowable account debtor to royalty receivable. So that portion which is not recoverable is profit to the lesser. So short working allowable account debtor to profit and loss account 350. That portion which should be carried forward to next year should be shown as a balance. To balance carried down 290. This is with regard to third year. Now we are moving towards fourth year. So where there is excess, excess is used to recoup short working. So the due entry, lessee's account, that is seize account data, short working allowable account data to royalty receivable. In seize account debtor to royalty receivable 1060. C will make the payment, so means A will receive the payment, bank account debtor to seize account 1060. Then royalty receivable will get closes by transferring it to profit and loss account, and short working account, try to understand, short working account debtor to royalty receivable account 290, so that short working will get closures. Henceforth there is no short working account. So this is with regard to fourth year. Then fifth year, there is an excess. Excess is not used to recoup because there is no short working to be recouped. Journal entry, due entry, seize account debtor to royalty receivable 1800. Royalty receivable will be closed by transferring it to profit and loss account. So in seize account, to royalty receivable 1800. So C will make the payment, journal entry, bank account. So in the books of A, who receives it, bank account debtor to seize account 1800. So seize account get closes. So royalty receivable will be transferred to profit and loss account. So this is how to prepare in the books of whom? A as a capacity of sublessor. Lessee's account be prepared, royalty receivable account be prepared, and short working allowable account be prepared. So they even asked us to prepare accounts in the books of C. C is sublessee. As a capacity of lessee, we need to prepare lesser account, royalty payable account, and short working account. So first 2 years situation is minimum rent is more than the royalty. So due entry, royalty payable account data, short working account data to lesser, that is A's account 600 and 400. A will be paid, A's account data to bank account 1000. So in royalty payable to A's account 600 should be closed by transferring it to profit and loss account. In short working to A's account 400, and the balance should be carried forward to next year. So then second year same situation for due entry, royalty payable account data, short working account data to A's or lesser account 810 and 290, and lesser will be paid A's account data to bank account 1000. So account get closes in royalty payable to A's account 810. So that should be closed by transferring it to profit and loss account, and in short working account to A's account 290. So by balance carried down 690. So next year when we reopen, to balance brought down 690. Third year circumstances, royalty is equal to minimum rent, due entry is royalty payable account debtor to A's account 1000. A will be paid immediately. So in the books of C, A's account debtor to bank account 1000. In royalty payable, so in royalty payable account, try to understand. So royalty payable account data to A's account 1000 to short working recoupment. So that is 50. So total 1050 should be closed by transferring it to profit and loss account, and in short working, by royalty payable 50, we have already posted it from royalty payable to short working. So then unrecoverable should be closed, it is lost to the lessee. So profit and loss account debtor to short working account 350, balance 290 will be carried forward to next year. So then fourth year situation is royalty is royalty is more than the minimum rent, but and there is recoupment of royalty. So due entry, what is that? Royalty receivable payable account debtor to A's account to short working account 1060 290. It should be closed by transferring it to profit and loss account. Then A's account by royalty payable account 1060. Immediately A will be paid at the end of the year. A's account debtor to bank account 1060. In short working account by royalty payable 290, so that account will get closes. Then fifth year there is excess, but excess is not made use to recoup short working. So royalty payable account debtor to A's account 1800. It should be closed by transferring it to profit and loss account. In A's account by royalty payable 1800. So A will be paid by C. So in the books of C, A's account debtor to bank account 1800. So A's account get closes. So that's all. So this is how to prepare accounts in the books of C, that is sublessee. What and all accounts we prepare? Lesser account, then short working account and royalty payable account. So only thing is you should understand how to pass entries as per the circumstances, and in whose book we are recording is very much important. Whether we are recording or preparing accounts in the books of lessor or lessee, relating to main lease and even relating to sublease. So as and when sublease comes, the only thing is only one party, that is lessee in main lease agreement, will act as lessor also. So in case if they ask us to prepare accounts or pass entries in the books of main lessee, so we need to prepare accounts or pass entry as a capacity of main lessee and even as a capacity of sublessor. This is what we should concentrate, or this is what we should know in advance. So, and one more thing is, you, in case if you are not in a position to understand the entries, you need to by heart. So there is no other way. And one more thing is, what entries we passed here, the same entries we passed in main lease agreement, there were only two parties. Here there are three parties. And one more, there is no contact between main lessee and main lessor and sublessee. So as there is no contact between main lessor and sublessee, but don't be under assumption that while making payment to main lessor by main lessee, we should take into consideration only production or sales made by main lessee. We need to take production or sales made by sublessee also, because main lessee leased whose property? Main lessor property. Try to understand. So these are the important aspects we should take care of. So by this we are completing the second chapter. So we are moving towards third chapter, particularly from next session. Till that, take care. Thank you.